Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, we will learn how to connect the Raspberry Pi camera module to the Raspberry Pi, and then we will take a picture and record a video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For this project, we are going to use Raspberry Pi 4B, Raspberry Pi 4B beginner kit without Raspberry Pi, and USB-C UK plug. Insert the SD card, connect the camera, and power up the Raspberry Pi. I remote control my Raspberry Pi from my laptop with PNC server and viewer. It is recommended for you to update and upgrade your Raspberry Pi using these two commands. First, we need to enable the camera. Then, reboot your Raspberry Pi. Now, the camera module is connected and the software is enabled. Next, we will control the camera using the Python code. Open Thonny Python IDE. Open a new file and save it as camera.py. Please take note that it is important that you never save the file as pycamera.py. Enter the following code. Save and run the program. The camera preview should be shown for 5 seconds and then close again. You can rotate the camera using this code. You can adjust the size and the position of the preview by adding this code. Now, let's use the camera module and Python to capture an image. Amend the code to add camera.capture line. The camera preview open for 5 seconds and then a still picture should be captured. The new image should be saved to the desktop. Now, let's record a video. Amend the code to remove capture and instead add start recording and stop recording. Your Raspberry Pi should open a preview, record 5 seconds of video, and then close the preview. That's all for today. I'm Suad from Cytron Technologies. Thank you for watching.